Hey guys, welcome back to the first episode of our podcast. No one asked. So, Rachita, tell us.
Why don't we introduce ourselves?
Oh yeah, okay, fine. Hey guys, I am Shridula.
I am Rachita.
I'm Riya.
And I'm Prithvi.
Yeah. So, Rachita, why don't you tell us a little bit about what we're gonna talk about today?
So we'll be talking about poop today.
Poopies.
Yeah. So I think poop is like a taboo kind of topic, but I think it's our, responsibility to kind of
Responsibility is strong.
bring awareness and, talk about it openly, right?
Funny thing is, we actually talk about it very openly, very often. Like it's not
It's
a
a
taboo
necessity.
topic in our
College, at least in our class.
yeah.
It's a concern which everybody has
Yeah.
towards each other.
I think for me, I think for me, I have to poop at 8 o'clock every morning. And if the poop is good, if the poop is
He'll be so confused.
Satvik's there and he's just concerned about her.
It's a very casual podcast.
Yeah. But yeah, if I don't poop in that morning, my whole day is bad.
Yeah,
Makes
the same
sense.
with me.
I
I
get
don't
up-
have a timing for
Same,
my
same.
poop.
No schedule.
I get up with poop pressure. I need
Same,
to poop when
same.
I get up.
No, that doesn't work.
Some
That's the
days-
best shit ever, honestly. But
Yeah.
Some days are like that, but I don't have a schedule as such. It's not like if I don't poop in the morning, my day is not done. My dad.
I can't leave the house if I don't poop in the morning.
Same. I don't
Like my
care.
day depends on that poop.
I don't care if I get late for college also, but I have to poop.
Poop and leave the
No, my
house.
dad poops even before going to yoga. He gets up early. He has to finish his morning shit before going to yoga.
I think that's valid.
I mean,
Yeah.
It's very valid. I would do that even if I'm going to gym. I have to poop and go to the gym. I can't come back from the gym and poop. I would be concerned I would get poop in between my workouts.
yeah, that makes sense.
What would you do? I don't want to poop outside my.
I don't know about other days, but it's a must during exam days.
Oh.
For
Yeah.
me,
I don't
during
keep track of it that time. I think.
during exam days, I'm like a nervous pooper, bro. I would be pooping every 1 hour and peeing.
Wow.
No, it's like before exam, you finish all your business and come because exam is 3 hours long and you don't want to struggle while writing your exam.
Yeah.
Because even if you don't
Like exam
actually
pressure
want to
wasn't
go,
enough, you need
yeah.
you have poop
No,
pressure.
even if you don't actually want to go, you get that weird feeling like, oh,
Yeah.
I want to use the washroom, I want to use the
Yeah.
washroom. But then when you finish exam and you go to the washroom,
You don't.
you don't want to use the washroom.
I'm a nervous peer. If I'm nervous, I pee 1,000 times. Out of pee, I come out. I want to pee
One
again.
drop.
Yeah, I don't care what I'm peeing, but I just need to go pee.
Yeah, valid.
But yeah, poop is.
I think we have some interesting
Yeah.
questions.
So the first question is the weirdest places you guys have pooped in.
Yeah, I have one. I think
Yeah.
I was 10. Oh yeah, probably younger. But the story is too funny. I was in my hometown for summer vacations. We were out in the town. I had too much of ice apple.
Oh my god.
And yeah, the weirdest place that I had to go to was a petrol bunk.
But in there,
Washroom. Yeah.
Which is concerning still, okay?
Yeah.
You
I
don't
cannot.
know what has gone, what that washroom has gone
No,
through.
not that. It's for me. It's if it's other than home. It's just every place is a strange and weird place.
for me, I don't think that's too weird because when we go on these treks and all, no, sometimes they stop midway and they stop at petrol bunks only, and they'll be like, oh, toilet break.
I don't
Go
think
and
As
pee.
a group, if you're
See,
going,
peeing is okay, but again, pooping in such a place, I wouldn't. I would control.
and I
it.
was a kid. Like for me, Amma.
I think it's just instilled in us that at home we need to poop.
Yeah.
At home we need to poop.
Pooping
Comfort.
and weird places for me, I don't know. I don't think. I mean,
Same. I think the max weirdest
would be in the open only. Like
No.
never.
No. Pooped in the open.
Open, no.
Maybe like
I'm pretty sure when
peed.
I was a kid, I would have.
Obviously.
I don't
No.
remember.
No,
so I
no,
don't
no.
have
Peeing is still
Peeing,
okay.
yeah, peeing I've done.
No.
Pooping, no.
I think I would have while traveling or like while going to my hometown or something.
No, I don't think I've ever pooped in the open.
I would have.
Me neither.
But the weirdest one was for me when I was a kid when I went to Bali. I was very new. It was a very new thing, the widget system. I didn't know it existed. Like, you know, there is a switch for it to like
So did
switch
you
on.
put
So there are 2 commodes. I don't know how it works. I was like so close. I was like, okay, I have to pee in one or poop in one. I didn't know the system. So apparently you have to wash in one of the commode and one you have to poop.
Yeah.
Is this
I
the
did
time
both
when
in
you went
one.
to Bali with like
No. It's
Oh, that is too recent.
that's why I was a kid this when I went. And I did both in one and didn't know. There's no flush and I'm like,
Shit.
I don't know what to do.
Bro, I literally pee after pooping. So how do you do that separately?
No, she did.
Pee after pooping?
I pee first and then I
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
poop and then I pee.
No, but this was just like a.
Peeing is like the ending of my poop.
No.
always
I always
pee,
pee
it
first and then
starts
poop.
yeah. Usually I'll poop.
So in people in Bali, they pee first and then they'll go to the
No.
pooping pooper.
No, you're
They're supposed to pee
use
poop in one.
and wash
And
in
wash
one.
your ass in one.
Oh, okay, got it. I was like, why are you separating?
No, it's not that.
Okay,
I
okay.
thought it was you have to pee in one and poop in one.
Got it.
But you're supposed to. Yeah. That was a horrible experience.
I don't want to ask. How
Very
did
weird.
you?
I don't even remember how they cleaned it. I think. I don't know, it just went. I don't know.
I think not like the weirdest place, but actually I went to my friend's house and she's from the US. Okay, so like she didn't have the bidet.
Held faucet.
The faucet. Okay, so then after pooping, I'm just like I was so clueless in her house. Like, what am I supposed to do? Okay, and then after that, I don't know. I think I took like some water from the sink and just washed it. And I
I
came.
did the same maybe.
And then after that, I came out and I told her, I was like, oh, you guys don't have like a faucet or something? How do you like wash? And then she comes and she tells me like the weirdest thing. She stands, apparently she walks all the way to her shower area and washes it there, okay? And she's like, yeah. That's how you normally do
Oh
it.
my God.
I was like,
So the shower area is
I
where
mean,
she cleans
I
the
feel
yeah.
Friend over here.
Yeah, friend over
I feel like
here.
toilet paper would have been better than whatever
Yeah.
she.
No, thank you. I'm not putting paper.
I'm not going
Yeah,
to go
I'm
have shower also there.
I feel like this whole
That's
paper
weird.
wiping your ass with
Ass,
paper
yeah.
is so
It's
weird.
painful. I carry wet tissues if I'm going somewhere that doesn't have.
Somebody.
When you went to the US, you used
did you survive?
toilet paper or
Did you take that portable one?
No. In my brother's house, we just like, you know, he has like a glass which you just fill water in the sink and then use that to wash. But when we went outside and all, like if I ever pooped in some place, then I just use the tissue paper.
okay.
I don't mind tissue paper.
Bro, Harshita carried. Are we allowed to name drop? But like my roommate carried a portable bidet or whatever to our Vietnam study tour, and like
Does it work?
I don't know. I did not.
I think it
use
does. Like even one of my
Her
neighbors-
brother made her just pack it up and take it.
But it was there. Vietnam.
It was
No,
there.
it
was there, no?
The second hotel, first hotel didn't have it.
I think it
Second.
had the bidet system or something, no?
First one only had toilet paper. Yeah, the Cambodia one, the first
Same,
one,
even
the
I'm-
one with swimming pool. No, it did not have it.
I don't know.
I remember.
Until we went to
Then I
Phnom
was
Penh.
so happy
Phnom
that
Penh
all
is the
the
region where everybody was like, shit, there's a health faucet.
Yeah,
I
bro.
felt like I
Every-
pooped like
yeah,
normally that trip and like I remember
No,
like, I
it
didn't
did
have any
not
trouble,
have.
so
Yeah,
Hey, we were in the same room. It did
Yeah.
not have. I remember very well. It didn't have.
I can't remember actually. But how did I poop then?
Yeah.
Because I didn't like
Because
actually think that was a problem.
I remember like I was talking to like my other friends, my roommates and all that. When we saw it in Phnom Penh, we were like, oh my god, it's here.
Oh my god, China was very
I think in a
horrible
group
experience
chat
for
only
me.
we were like,
You went to China. Bro.
Yeah, and it's like they don't have even the bidet system. It's just tissue. I'm like,
I think for us, Japan will be like a luxury because of
they
their,
have
you know,
heated
yeah.
seat, they have automatic washer and
Yeah.
all of that. And
My
they have
mom actually
something
bought wet
called
tissues.
they have something which public washroom also, automatically you can turn on the water noises.
Noise, yeah.
So
That's good actually.
That's really good.
Yeah, because here I have to hear putik putik.
I turn on tap because even though
When
I
you
live
turn
with
the tap
like 3
on in the
people, I
commode?
can't. I turn on like I have a bucket.
Oh,
in the
not
room.
at home. I'm saying outside. Like now, if you're in a mall and you probably want to pee also, let's say, and you're like,
It's so awkward.
it's too quiet.
I think it should be normalized.
Yeah.
though.
Yeah, but
being
it's
loudly.
normalized, but at the
Loudly,
same
I
time-
think
Yeah.
I'm used. Like
Yeah,
I don't
same,
care.
I don't
I used to care. Like in college, I used to care. I used to wonder, like how do people like not make it sound, bro? Like how do they not make noise while peeing?
I can never. I used to try, but then I end up. Okay, I give up.
Bro, I think that feature
I
is something
still
that
remember
we need.
that day when we went
Yeah,
to pee,
yeah,
and then you
yeah,
started
okay.
playing. You started playing music. No, you started playing Kiss
Extremely
Me.
quiet. Okay, it was extremely quiet.
But it was only the both of us.
No, I think that system should come everywhere because
Yeah.
like even at home I can't. I live with 3 people and
No,
I
I
still
don't care at home.
can't.
Like, you hear me poop, I don't care.
Home
See,
as in
parents fine. I live with friends here, so I'm still not used to that.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Do you guys have any public toilet horror stories?
Yeah, that was mine.
That was
Whatever
yours.
I-
For me,
Pooping, no.
Oh wait, public toilet.
for me it
No,
was
for
in
me
college.
toilet. My God.
For me it was in college. Okay, I need to like pee so badly.
It's the C block washroom.
Yeah, it's a
to be
C
very
block
specific.
washroom. Okay, guys, if you are, but now it's getting reconstructed and all that stuff. But
no,
like,
but like whoever you were.
yeah, whoever
why,
you
why
were,
can't you,
you
flush?
traumatized me.
I threw up almost.
Bro, for me, okay, I open the toilet and I see this humongous, like it's just one huge stool just sitting there, bro, in the toilet. It's like huge.
Something similar.
I'm literally getting goosebumps. Look, look,
my God.
You can literally see my
It was
goosebumps.
something very similar. Even I saw and I just walked out and like outside.
I think that was like the most traumatizing experience I've had.
I don't think I've had anything that.
Yeah, that's horrible, no, yeah.
Yeah, that was
Yours
bad.
even when we went to Shokudu.
Oh, was that? That was Ashton or someone.
What? Oh no, when we went Gokarna, no,
when we went to
recently.
Shokudo,
Wait, what
someone.
happened in Gokarna?
Gokarna also.
Oh, you went, yeah.
Me
you
and
were there.
Sanchita. Again, name dropping. Sorry, blur the name out.
yeah,
So
okay,
before
okay,
leaving for the bus, there was a restaurant there.
Oh my
Obviously,
God,
we're not
yeah,
allowing
yeah,
inside. There's a washroom outside. So we go. It's a washroom. First of all, the seat is so low or high, whatever.
high, it was high.
High as fuck. My leg was dangling. So I go. I check the washroom. There's like shit splattered all over the.
Someone had diarrhea in there.
It's like I am like shit, and I come out. I didn't even see from Dura. I saw and I'm like, oh my god, I'm not good. And me, Sanchita were waiting. Ashton comes to use it. Like I told him again. Beep the name.
Right, Ashton's name can be there. He was like the hero.
I was
Story.
very grateful. I'm like, this has happened, bro. And he just goes in. He takes the health faucet. He cleans. He flushes it, and he's like, here you go, you use. I was like, thank you so much, because I really had to use it because it's like some 8 or 9 hour journey, and if I don't
Poop.
not
I don't
pee.
think I can even control it for that long also. Poop. I think like,
No, it was peeing at
No,
night
she wanted
before
to,
traveling.
yeah.
But like, if not for Ashton, I would have. Bro, that boy just came in and is like,
Yeah, and flushed and he went.
yeah, he
He's
just
like,
went,
"Use."
walked off. He's like, use.
I'm used to this shit like that.
Sadly, you had to like endure that smell. Like I know, like, cow
Yeah.
shit smell.
Somebody stepped on cow shit and they walked right in front of my.
I am.
This
that
is the somebody.
And she put it on her bed.
I didn't realize. You know, when I found out, I did not know that day that it was her. I did not know. Recently, 3 of us went to that biryani place for ice cream. Where did we talk about
here
it?
in
We
Eden
went to eat biryani, and I'm like, bro, that day, that shit. She's like, it was me. I'm like, it was you. The amount of times I've cursed that person because I could not fall asleep right when I sleep. If this is my bed, I'm here. Here is where the smell is coming from. I had to go sit in his seat for like till 10:30 to get that fresh air.
And then you're like,
My head was spinning and all that. It's not like a regular cow shit. That shit was strong.
Yeah.
The Gokarna cow shit different.
So I never realized. So we went to keep our bags in the bus car, that space, okay, in the boot or whatever. Kept it, and normally I would realize if I stepped on it. I thought somebody else stepped on it and they like splattered it on like
Yeah,
my
you
leg
were
and all.
telling that, so I was like, oh, she's also a victim.
Because no, see, I'm looking down. I'm not able to see anything. Even my bro, it was all over my pant, my blue jeans.
And you could smell it.
No,
Shit,
it
indeed.
started smelling. No, that's when I realized. I was like, where is the smell coming from? Then I looked down. Oh, my feet and all that.
It was
Like, there was so much.
luckily I had like tissues.
I actually
Mohit
thought
had
this girl would be like
spray
full
sanitizer.
disgusted, okay? So I was like, okay, it's blah, it's my this thing only. And then I told her, and then she only had tissues. So then I took that tissue, wiped, then cleaned that bed. She's like, girl, it's not that serious, it's fine, okay?
Oh, it would have been
She
serious
kept
for me.
saying that, okay? I was like, no, it's like literally shit. So then I cleaned my jeans, cleaned my this thing and everything. But then, bro, those Crocs were stinking.
Yeah, it
I
was.
just put those Crocs under the seat.
That is where I was sleeping, by the way. The seat under that is my seat, and I was struggling that whole night.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Entertaining shit trip.
I think like the most embarrassing shit story of mine. We might cut this out if it's like too traumatizing.
Yeah.
But like, so when I was in school, okay, I had to poop really bad. So I went during lunch break and I took a nice shit, okay. And then after that, so you know they usually start. I think it was like 8th or something, 8th or 9th. So you know usually in school they'll be like waiting in line, right?
Oh shit.
So these people, this girl was like waiting in front of my thing only for such a long time. First of all, I was pooping for like some 10 minutes. She had the patience to wait. Okay, I was like, girl, go and see some other thing, or you know. But she's waiting there. I was like, okay, fine, I'll poop and then I'll come out. And then after I poop, everything's done, and I'm flushing. Okay,
That is not
I'm
working.
going. Flush pressure is not enough. Okay, I'm flushing 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times.
You didn't have a bucket there?
No,
Oh,
there was
shit.
no bucket. Now you guys will get traumatized afterwards. I'm just like shit. Someone's waiting outside. I cannot, you know, be that girl who dirty.
You did what?
I took it and put it in the dustbin.
Bro!
I don't know how long I've kept that story inside myself, but now it's out for everyone to enjoy.
Oh my god!
I scooped it and I put it.
How did you take it out? Nobody saw you taking it out.
What?
Dustbin was in the...
In the washroom.
Yeah, in the washroom.
I cannot.
I did that, guy.
Did you splash again after?
It was.
She went and washed her hands.
Yeah.
Her hand only.
And that girl also, she went inside happily. I'm like, all because of you only.
She saw the poop in the dustbin.
No.
Imagine the cleaning
Oh
ladies.
my god, they would have been traumatized. I'm sorry. I have to do it for my
I
mana
did not see
maryada.
this coming at all.
Yeah, like I didn't like expect it to.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I did that.
Wow.
You forgot he's in the room.
No, I mean,
He's too engrossed in whatever he's doing. Oh, that was... Oh my god. That was insane.
yeah.
Do you have any embarrassing poop stories?
That's the only one in Bali which I've been traumatized and I make sure I learn about the toilet system before I go to that place.
Valid.
So yeah.
The next question is about poop etiquette. Do you guys have some unspoken rules, you know? Which, I don't know, I feel like I have some things which I
Even
feel
I
like
do.
people should follow when
Like-
they
oh.
use my washroom.
Same.
Like if they come, number one, they can't like make the seat and all
Wet. Use a
Okay.
tissue after you
Even
use
if you make it wet,
Use a tissue.
tissue or
Wipe
something.
it and
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and if you take a big fat dump, number one, first you have to close the
thing and then flush.
lid and then flush. Number two, if you've taken a fat ass dump and it smells, you better switch on that exhaust.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. This is so mad. Her room
She might
only
kill
is like
you.
so stuffy.
First of
okay?
all.
Oh yeah, her room is little compact.
Yeah, no, like there are windows, but she will
She
not
won't
open
open
it.
Ah.
Okay, she always turns on the AC, and that AC dries out the room, bro. Like even if you put the AC, you put the AC, but at least
Open
when
the
you're
windows
not
sometimes.
using the
Whose
AC,
phone is vibrating?
keep the windows open. Yeah, when she takes a big fat dump, no, I told her so many times. Like put the exhaust and also let some air circulation happen inside that bathroom, no?
For me, the main rule is no matter what kind of dump you're taking, turn on the exhaust and then go. At home, here we don't have an exhaust. Like at home, whenever we are using, just turn on the exhaust and then go, please. Because it's just too traumatizing.
First of all, I
to
don't
do
allow
that.
anybody to take a dump in my No.
Yeah, same. Even
Don't
I
use my
I don't
washroom.
like it when people use my washroom.
Like for me, if you're using like any washroom or if you're like taking a dump and even after flushing it doesn't go properly, at least use the
Yeah.
brush or like the health faucet to like get
Or
rid
like
of
take
worse,
a bucket of
actually.
water and like pour
If
it.
you put a brush like
not that brush, the toilet
Like
cleaning
toilet
brush.
cleaning, like if it's stuck on the like.
Oh,
At
yeah,
least
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
clean it and
That-
then flush
yes,
it again because
I
that
hate it. Yeah, that's
Bro, use the health faucet only, bro.
Yeah,
The pressure is enough.
I think one more is make sure you double flush, triple flush.
Yeah.
true. Because when you flush once, your poop is just there.
No, you know,
Doesn't
actually,
go
like a
in.
lot of
Yeah.
times, I think there is some reverse.
The
this thing
sucking
happens. Yeah, and then it actually
comes
leaves it
back.
out.
So
Yeah.
after flushing also I make sure I check
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then leave. And or else it's just in my head. Shit, what if? I hope other
pressure
people also
related
had that
thing.
in their head, man. Like
That's why I like
concern.
those toilets which just suck.
No.
Vacuum, no, the
Yeah.
entire
Vacuum.
thing just
See,
disappears.
my
Like
home-
all the
at
water
home-
goes away.
At
Yeah.
home it does that, but sometimes it's still better to be sure and see if it's like
Yeah.
done its job
Yeah.
properly, or else it's just little too much to deal with.
Valid.
And
Then
I think we already spoke about the eternal debate: home bathroom versus public
home
bathroom.
forever.
Home. Yeah.
oh, for me it's home. In home, my home. I like my home.
Home. Yeah.
Here it's you know how our excuse me you know how our bathroom is in this open slit. Like a gap. It's fucking gap because it was one big
people
wall.
can pee.
Yeah, it was one big washroom and they put a
divided it
wall
into
up.
two.
The drain is also same.
But why didn't they complete the wall?
I don't know. I don't
They
know.
put so
There's
much.
another washroom on the other side.
Yeah.
So they can see if they're pooping together.
Like
a
not
little
it's
higher.
higher.
They can hear but
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so
they can hear,
awkward.
they can smell.
Yeah, it's so awkward every time if the other person is using the other washroom, even though it's urgent, I have to sit and wait. I'm like, I am not going sitting there together, like shitting together.
Hi dude, how are you?
Can't do it.
I feel like I'd be used to it.
If it's
for-
peeing,
Yeah.
no peeing also at some points, like while we take bath, we talk. But I think I can't.
Take bath, you talk.
No, like
That is concerning for
no,
me.
other person is taking bath, I'm taking bath. They're like, hey.
I put music in like. I'll be blasting music.
Yeah, so
I think, yeah.
what do you think few things you want in public toilets? Few things.
Cleanliness, bro. Only thing I want
Yeah,
is
I think
cleanliness.
it's
I don't want anything.
basic.
Water
Other
and
than cleanliness is something okay, fine, because
Water.
for me, I think it would be that Japan system where like this music, water noise,
Yeah.
maybe like an indication if
In
it will
India-
take longer. If somebody is peeing or pooping, like, if it's taking longer in there.
In India, my expectation is just functioning
Yeah.
flushes
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
water.
Every time I go, oh, one more is even if
Bro, even the
like,
Indian
flush is not
toilet,
working.
they don't put water and then flush it. Like, I mean,
Yeah.
it'll still be stuck on that seat, bro. So-
for me, it's like even when I told like you have to like clean the seat after use. If it's not going, fill a bucket full of water, and if you put that suction immediately happens and it's clean. Feels. I wish some people had that in their heads, man.
It's just, what is that called? Basic
Etiquette.
etiquette and.
Yeah. So like for me, even if the flush is not working, I hope there's a tap and like a bucket nearby. So that's my rescue. Like if flush is not working, if it gets clogged, just put water there. Mohit, remember what Mohit did in the flush tank?
Oh my
The
god.
point is
Yeah,
because there's no cleanliness,
that
people don't
idiot,
touch anything. Again.
in Gokarna, this guy, instead of putting water directly into the
Flush tank.
commode,
Oh, commode, yeah.
he's filling the
Flush tank.
Flush
Cistern.
tank, bro. He's filling the cistern so that he can flush it again. Instead of that, I could have just poured it. No, if it's not flushing.
Classic Mohit moment.
Like, I'm not surprised.
I'm not surprised. Yep.
That was it, I think.
That was it. I think
It
we
was a
had.
poop insightful
It
session.
was a poop
Yeah.
insightful session.
I am still traumatized by what you told me.
Yeah, I'm just so amazed. Like, how
It's on you though. Like if like it's up to you if
it's
you
the highlight
want
of
it to
this
be.
I
episode.
think
I
that's
think-
the highlight.
I
Yeah.
think you shouldn't cut it.
Yeah. Guys, I was.
If this goes
Young.
viral, if
Yeah.
this goes viral and my
Her
friends
reason
see
is
it,
young, guys. and
it's
she
just
needed
how
to
I've
protect-
grown up to be.
I needed to
Herself
protect my
from the
dignity.
Girl who
Pooped and
See, I
pissed
think
her
she put
The
her.
girl who scooped her poop.
See, for me, I actually
Poop
see her as a
scooper.
great.
poop. Scooper Shudila.
No, I see her as a great person here because she didn't want to cause inconvenience
To
to
the
the
next
other girl,
person.
so she did that
She thought
vulnerable
about
thing
the
for
other
herself, and she like did it. Or else, like she could have just left it like that person in
But
C
actually, her
block.
thought process was not about the other person. Her thought
Yeah,
process
she
was
could
about
have just come out and
her
said,
name.
it's
Her
not
name
That's
being,
what. That's
I'm
also
not
bad.
able to flash it or
you know, out of convenience, please.
Please
I
go
would
to
do
another.
that, yeah.
But yeah, I don't know what is running in my mind. But it's okay, guys.
It's part of life.
It's part of life. We live
Yeah.
and we learn.
Yeah.
And
She
yeah.
definitely learned.
I think
Yes.
that is it for today's episode.
Thank-
Next episode will
No
be
one
soon when
asked.
we all meet again.
Yeah.
Last exam day.
Last exam day.
Yeah.
We will talk
Probably-
about how the exam was.
Or how.
Or the
how each
education in
semester. Oh yeah, how education.
architecture education
Yeah.
is for us.
We
Yeah.
can definitely do
Come-
that.
I'm
Comparing
gonna
it to-
hate on it the whole time.
Compare
It's okay, I think we
can
need all
talk
those
about the pros and
opinions.
cons about architecture education to your regular, like other, not regular, but I'm telling other streams and see how, like, studying design
I
is
don't
so
think
different
comparing
than-
And is it
will help.
really
Yeah, I don't
worth
think
studying,
comparing will help.
or like maybe about like how, like whether it's worth studying 5 years or putting in 5 years of your life into this particular
Moral of that
course?
podcast will be don't do architecture. That's all.
I mean, I
Just
feel like
letting you know.
I think we'll have different,
different
views
perspectives,
and
but yeah, that is
perspectives,
the next
Yeah.
episode.
That is the next episode, guys.
It'll probably be
Bye.
long.
Thank you for
Yeah.
watching.
Thank you guys for
Next
watching.
time.
Mixed feelings next
Next
episode.
time.
Thank you for
Bye.
watching. 3, 2, 1.
No one asked.